Baines Roofing is your trusted source for windows and doors in Lower Gwynedd, PA. You can trust Baines Roofing to elevate your Montgomery County home. Our skilled team will help you choose the right windows and doors that match your style preferences while providing energy efficiency, security, and durability. We specialize in asphalt shingle, metal, and flat roofing installation. No matter what type of roof you want, we'll deliver excellence. Need residential vinyl siding or James Hardie siding? We've got you covered with premium choices in both materials. If you have unique roofing needs for commercial properties, we offer TPO and EPDM systems. Our precision installation will deliver a quality roof that stands up to our Lower Gwynedd, PA weather. Our expertise extends to installing both commercial and residential gutters to ensure effective water drainage and prevent any potential damage to your building. We provide service work for both residential and commercial properties. At Baines Roofing, we're committed to professionalism. We believe in being 100% professional 100% of the time. We don't just get the job done, we get it done right. Whether you need service work on your Lower Gwynedd, PA residential home or commercial building, Baines Roofing is your solution. Call us today at 215-855-ROOF and schedule your free quote.